Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll share a detailed insight into what you need to know about the best pool filters. That is, the sand filter or the cartridge filter, and the ideal pool filter for you. To maintain a clean and safe pool, you need the best filters, and your choice will be between the sand and the cartridge filters. Both filters do a great job, but the sand filter is essentially an in-ground pool filter, while the cartridge filters are a great option for the above-ground filters. So, if you are in a quick guide to an ideal pool filter, this would be a great place to start. Granted, this information may not be adequate for you to make the right decision, and so we'll look at the other features that differentiate these two pool filters. Sand and cartridge pool filters. Differences. How do the filters work? Sand filter. You may not know this about the sand filter, but it is actually one of the oldest forms of swimming pool filtration systems. It features a large, spherical globe with silica sand. Silica sand is also called filter sand. To filter the pool water, the water flows into this filter, passing through the sand, where the dirt and debris in the pool will be trapped in the silica sand. So, the water that goes through the other side of the filter is free of particles. The smallest particle size that passes through the silica sand filter is 20 microns. On the upside, this filter lasts anywhere between 5 and 10 years, which qualifies the filter as the most economical filtration system. Cartridge filter. The cartridge filter looks a lot like your car's air filter. It features a simple two-piece design with a lid and a bottom, and the cartridge sits inside this tank. It's an above-ground filter through which water pushes into the tank from the pump, then flows through the membrane of the cartridge. The debris and dirt particles in the pool water are trapped in the membrane fabric, and the filtered water will flow back to the pool. Thanks to this membrane, the cartridge filter gets rid of particles as small as 10 microns. This filtration system is a favorite for most people because of its efficiency, and also because it doesn't require any kind of expensive maintenance. All you need to know is that when this filter's pressure gauge gets to 10 psi above the normal readings, it means it's time to clean out the cartridge. At this point, you'd have to remove the cartridge filter from the tank, then hose it down thoroughly. You don't need to backwash it because this would mean chemical and water loss. Filtration efficiency. While either filter would do a good job in filtering the pool water, the efficiency of the sand filter is not at par with that of the cartridge filter. The cartridge filter is more efficient thanks to the ability to filter down the pool water to 10 microns, unlike the sand filter whose filtration efficiency maxes out at 20 microns. What this means is that the cartridge filtration system has the capacity to handle and rid the pool of more particles. That is, moss, dirt, and debris. And the result of this filter is a pool that is very clean and sparkling. The sand filter may leave the pool looking all clean, but there will be more dirt and debris unseen to the eye lurking around. Note, however, that while backwashing the filter is essential for the filter's regular maintenance, its efficiency drops over time because the filtration system is continuously filled with the trapped dirt and debris, which eventually restrict the flow of clean water back into the pool. Over time, the pressure gauge increases with the increase in the accumulated debris and dirt, resulting in the lowered efficiency of the filter and the need for a backwash. Maintenance of the filters. The sand filter does a fairly great job cleaning and filtering out the pool from the bottom. Unfortunately, its maintenance is not the easiest, and a backwash on your sand filter will take between 20 and 25 minutes. The other notable challenge with the sand filter is that during the backwashing, especially when the water level of your pool is low, you will end up losing some of the filter's chemicals, meaning you will need to fill up the pool slightly for a rebalance of the pool chemicals. So in general, this leads to a lot more maintenance for the sand filter. The sand filter lasts 5 to 10 years. If this seems like too much cleaning time for the filter, then you may have to opt for the cartridge pool filter. A backwash on your cartridge filter takes a maximum of 10 minutes, but it is not recommended. Just hose it down. This filter has a shelf life of 1 to 3 years. Weight of the filter. In winter, as you take off the filtration system and cover the pool, you will need help carrying out the sand filter. This in-ground filter will have between 100 and 250 pounds of sand in the tank. When it's time to bring the cartridge filter in the winter, you'll be able to do this with ease because this filter is very lightweight, and you wouldn't need help carrying it. Comparison table. From this table, it's evident that both filters are good options for you, depending on the type of pool you have. Sand filters are ideal for the permanent, in-ground pools and larger above-ground pools, while the cartridge filter is ideal for most of the standard-sized above-ground pools. Similarities. In case you're wondering about what happens to your pool filters in winter, here's what you should know. You must drain, clean, And take the pool's filtration system indoors or somewhere safe. This is critical for their maintenance because sand and cartridge filters are made of plastic, and the freezing temperatures would eventually crack the filter tank. Verdict: is the sand or the cartridge filter best for you? Overall, there's no clear winner between the two. Individuals with above-ground pools will prefer the lightweight and high-performance cartridge filter, while the sand filter is the best option for the in-ground pools. If price is an issue, or if you have a large above-ground pool, go for the sand filter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.